Welcome back, everyone. I'm finally back on my Mercury project. I've been working on my 40 Ford, and I think I finally got it done. Video coming soon. But on this one, I have done some body work to it and hopefully gotten it straightened up. I did some work, as you can see, to the front and straightened up those body lines in the hood. I also shortened the ones in the back. I think it looks better, more custom. And cleaned up a little bit of areas here and there, like a small hole in the front. So, I've got a little bit of this self-etching primer. Hopefully it's enough to give it a coat. We'll see. I also brought up my interior parts and thought I'd give them a coat of paint today. Steering wheel, steering column, and my custom dash. For the interior, I will be using Premium Ultra Matte Rustoleum Painter's Touch Dark Blue, which looked real similar to a factory interior color. Well, I forgot to hit record, but that looks like that's going on real nice. While I'm waiting on some paint to dry, I figured I'd show you some of the cool finds that I got at auctions this year. That's a 1/8 scale monogram 32 Ford. I think it's all there. It was built, and this is the way I received it. I dug all the parts out of a box. As you can see, there's a pile there, and she pretty dirty too. I think she was in a barn. Also, got one of these with a box. Look at that. Old hot rod goodness right there. Look at all them extra parts. And, keeping with the 1/8 scale theme, I also got a Corvette. Haven't decided what I'm going to do with these big boys. I might put them up for sale. I don't know. This part of the interior is going to probably stay that matte finish, but the dash, I'm going to add my favorite color to it. Yep, you guessed it. Clear. Think I'm ready for a coat of paint. I will be using Rustoleum Sharp Topaz High Gloss. Let's get a spraying. thick paint right there. Ooh, I sagged that bad. Way too close. Let's see if we can fix it. Now, hopefully I wasn't too shaky while I was doing that. You saw what I did, hopefully. I just took piece of masking tape and wiped it off. Now, I should probably let that dry for a little bit before I put another coat on. I am going to put a coat on this side while I'm waiting. Now, I need to stay back a little bit farther because I can tell that was way too thick. You know what? Shoot, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. What's the worst that could happen? Look at that. I think I had something land in it. Ooh, I like this paint. Pretty fixable. Oh, easily fixable. Let me rephrase that. Let's see if I can get a second coat on here and not mess it up. I did it again. I'm determined to fill in that body line, the door line. I almost forgot to do the fairing. Well, I think the blue turned out pretty nice. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and try some clear over top of it. That looks so good, I might just call it at that. Well, I think I'm going to let it go for now and let it dry. I might have to repaint the fairing piece because the clear tried to liven up all the paint, including the primer I sprayed tonight. If you kind of see it around the bubbles, down in the bottom part, that little valley. But overall, I'm happy. Once I darken in the panel lines, this vehicle ought to look pretty good. I might have one spot I might have to touch up, but that's fine. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.